A lot of investors are waiting. They say the passage of tax reform or even just a tax cut will be a huge boost to the bulls. So why is everybody so worried? Is Jason Rotman? He's with Lido Isle Advisors. All right, where do you stand on this? If I have one more person say, yeah, but we've had record after record after record. And listen, it's important to be aware and be ready. But where do you stand? Are we going to see some big correction?
You know, at this point, Liz, this is far beyond a technical rally. This is a full-on, deep fundamental rally. And when you're in this type of environment, even if a correction happens, listen, it's going to be a day, it's going to be a week, it's going to be 2%. We're not going to turn into, the tech crash or 1987. Agreed. I think it's very safe to be long.
Well, I agree that it's not the same planes, so-called planes circling around O'Hare are not the same ones as back when we've seen really bad recessions. That said, where would you go right now with this cloud of question marks around you?
Okay, so I have two scenarios. If the tax cuts do go through, so many stocks are at their all-time highs, 52-week highs. I really think you're going to need to look at value. Goodyear Tire, for example, has a 7.5 price to earnings ratio, whether it's automated driving, Tesla, gas, electric. Well, guess what the cars need? They need tires. And I think in a growing economy, Goodyear's a phenomenal bet. If the tax cuts do not go through, instead of growth in value, I think people are going to need to look at income plays. Medical Properties Trust, 7.5% yield. I think that's a very safe yield, and I think that's where you go if the tax cuts don't go through. You go to income.
We're going to put those up on the Facebook page, facebook.com/Liz Klayman, and there's a 3-year chart of Medical Properties. Great to see you, Jason. Thanks so much. And here we go. A day without records. We haven't seen this in a while. No record for the Dow, the NASDAQ, or the S&P. We're down 50 points as we head into that final 6 seconds. Make it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That'll do it for Klayman Countdown.